Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Renault symbol and this car have a problem, AC not working. When I on AC not working and fuse short. That's the problem. I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay. So here you can see this is for AC fuse. Okay. So I found this is short, see, inside burn. So when I fix another fuse also short. So and then I check compressor wire. You can see here compressor wire, those wire are touch like this. Okay, that's why fuse every time short. So those are inside the cover. I don't know anybody before this doing this something, and they fix like this touch wiring. Okay, that's why wiring short and fuse short. So now I fix another fuse and I separate those wire, and now I will show you when I start AC working or not. Now I start car on AC. You can see here. Now AC working and AC current is there, before not working. Okay, thank you.